Ever needed a cord in part of your crochet? Today I'm going to show you how to make the Icord. Hello, my name is Karen Stangram and welcome to Conquer Crochet, the channel for tips, tricks and techniques for conquering your crochet. Everything I talk about in today's video will be linked in the descriptions below, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell and do all those lovely things. So let's get on with the video. Okay then, so to make the Icord we're going to make a slip knot in whichever way you prefer. And then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So we're going to work in the second and third chains from the hook. So we don't count the hook. That would be your first chain, that's the second, and that's the third. So I'm going to insert my hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over and pull through. I should have 2 loops on my hook. Insert into the third chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through. I now have 3 loops on my hook. This is where it gets a little bit more complicated. So you need to take your hook out of there so you don't drop them. Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Now you need to reinsert your hook into that second loop, yarn over, pull through, and then reinsert your hook into the third loop, yarn over and pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Again, out of those last 2 loops, so you should have 1 loop on your hook, pinch them, appear anywhere, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook, reinsert the second loop, yarn over and pull through, and then reinsert the third loop, yarn over and pull through. You're only pulling through 1 loop at a time, so at the end you will end up with 3 loops on your hook. Take those 2 off, yarn over, pull through, reinsert, yarn over, pull through, reinsert, yarn over, pull through. And we're essentially going to do that all the way along our cord to have the length of cord that you want. So I'm just going to make a few more rows so you can see what it looks like when it gets a little bit longer, and I will see you in a moment. So I've just done a few more rows there so you can see how it works, and it almost looks like 3 lots of chains. So there's a row here, there's a row there, and there's a row round on the other side. And if you flip it over, it's itself. You can flatten it out if you want to, but it sort of curves round. And these are great for if you're wanting to do some decorative writing on something, or if you're wanting to do a nice edging, like piping around a cushion or something like that. It's a really nice technique to use. Or if you're wanting to make a drawstring bag, then you could use this technique as well. And it's quite stretchy, obviously depending on the yarn that you're using. So let's have a look at how we finish. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, then yarn over, pull through, and there we have the Icord. I really hope you found today's tutorial useful. If there's any information that you would like, I will have linked it in the descriptions below, and if I haven't linked it, please just write a little comment saying, oh, where's this, where's that, where do I find this? Whilst you're there looking in the descriptions, don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed it and you've got value from it, and also to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already. By ringing the bell, it means that you will be notified every time a new video goes live and you're not going to miss a single stitch. There are 2 other videos on screen now to help you on your crochet journey, and I will see you over there. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and happy hooking!